Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today the topic that we are solving is algebraic fractions. We will be doing medium questions. Alright. So over here you have the question: simplify 3 upon x minus 1 minus 2 upon 2x plus 1. Now look guys, the way to do these questions is you will write 3 multiplied by 2x plus 1 minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 upon x minus 1 bracket 2x plus 1. Basically this is just like LCM. What we did over here is that we cross multiplied. Now the next step is simple algebra. So I'll divide all the parts in steps. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6x plus 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 minus 2 multiplied by x is 2x and minus 2 multiplied by plus 1 is plus 2 upon x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. Now we will do 6x minus 2x plus 3 plus 2 upon x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. 6x minus 2x is 4x, 3 plus 2 is 5 upon x minus 1, 2x plus 1. If you want, you guys can expand this bracket and write it as your answer, but if you want to write it just like this is also sufficient. Now we have this question in which we have to simplify. So look guys, whenever you have a question like this, for example 5 upon 3x multiplied by 9x upon 20. My advice to you guys is that simplify it right now. Right? 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. X and x gets cancelled out. So what remains? 1 upon 1 multiplied by 3 upon 4. How did I get this? 1 upon 1. So that's how I got 1 and 1. 3 upon 4. So that's how I got 3 and 4. So the answer is 3 upon 4. Now many students have difficulty in this question. X square plus 5x upon x square minus 25. Look, my recommendation is for you guys is to solve it independently. For example like this. X square plus 5x, take x as common. So this becomes x bracket x plus 5. I just took one x out, so only one x remained inside and this x is gone. Then x square minus 25, this is basically an identity. It's a square minus b square, which means a plus b and a minus b. So x square minus 25 means x minus 5 and x plus 5. Now write the whole equation down, x square plus 5x upon x square minus 25. Look, x square plus 5x becomes this. So I will write, x bracket x plus 5 and x square minus 25 becomes this. So I will write upon x minus 5 and x plus 5. X plus 5 is cancelled out. So the answer is x upon x minus 5. Next question, we have to write this as a single fraction in its simplest form. Again, same thing. X minus 5 upon 3 plus 6 upon x plus 2. Cross multiply guys. Okay. So this becomes x minus 2 multiply by x minus 5. Bring the plus sign down, plus 6 multiplied by 3 upon this 3 in bracket and this x plus 2. Solve it now. So I will solve it over here for you guys. How do we solve this multiplication? Look, first you multiply x with x, you get x square. Then you multiply x with minus 5, you get minus 5x. Then you multiply minus 2 with x, it becomes minus 2x. And then you multiply minus 2 with minus 5, it becomes plus 10. So it becomes x square minus 5x minus 2x is minus 7x plus 10. So this becomes x square minus 7x plus 10, and 6 multiplied by 3 is plus 18 upon 3 multiplied by x is 3x plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So this becomes x square minus 7x plus 10 plus 18 is 28 upon 3x plus 6. Okay. Now next question. Now this is the type of question that comes in your IGCSE exam. The best way to do it is to solve it step by step. First solve this part, x square minus 25. Look, this is the same identity as a square minus b square. So I can write x square minus 5 is x square minus 5 square, which means a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b and a minus b. So x square minus 5 square will become x plus 5 and x minus 5. Then we have the next part, x square minus 2x minus 35. This is breaking of the middle term. Tell me two numbers. If you want to do breaking of the middle term, write 35 here. Tell me two numbers that when you multiply you get 35. So it's just 7 and 5. And tell me two numbers that when you add or subtract them you get minus 2. So look, minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. Minus 7 multiplied by positive 5 is minus 35. So this becomes x square plus 5x minus 7x minus 35. Take x as common. This becomes x plus 5. Take minus 7 as common. This also becomes x plus 5. You will take x plus 5 and x plus 5 as common, and you will write x and minus 7 over here. Now remember guys, what was the equation? X square minus 25 upon x square minus 2x minus 35. So x square minus 35 is equals to what? This, we solved it. X plus 5 and x minus 5. And x square minus 2x minus 35 was equals to what? This. So we write upon x plus 5 and x minus 7. So x plus 5 cancel. The answer is x minus 5 upon x minus 7. Similarly, we have the last question now, and I am going to solve it for you. X minus 8 upon x plus 3x upon x plus 1. Again, cross multiply guys. This becomes x minus 8 multiplied by x plus 1 plus 3x multiplied by x upon x bracket x plus 1. Again multiply, x multiplied by x is x square, x multiplied by 1 is x, minus 8 multiplied by x is minus 8x, minus 8 multiplied by 1 is minus 8, plus 3x multiplied by x is 3x square upon x bracket x plus 1. Now x square plus 3x square is 4x square, x minus 8x is minus 7x, and then you have minus 8 upon x bracket x plus 1. Now some of my students have some question. I'm gonna give the last question as my own example. So for example, you can have a question like this: 2x plus 1 upon x plus 3x upon x plus 1 plus 1. Now whenever you have a question like this, automatically add upon 1 by yourself. And if you want, first solve these two parts. Okay, first solve this. So this becomes 2x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 plus 3x multiplied by x upon x bracket x plus 1. So 2x multiplied by x is 2x square, 2x multiplied by 1 is 2x, 1 multiplied by x is x, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. plus 3x square upon x bracket x plus 1. This becomes 2x square plus 3x square is 5x square. Okay, 2x square plus 3x square is 5x square. 2x plus x is 3x plus 1 upon x bracket x plus 1. Now you guys bring this 1 upon 1 down, plus 1 upon 1. Let's do cross multiplication again. So we will do cross multiplication. We will multiply 5x square plus 3x plus 1 with 1. Look, when you multiply this with 1, it won't have any impact. Plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. How did I get that? Cross multiply. Upon x multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by 1. So this becomes 5x square plus 3x plus 1. Because I multiplied it with 1, it has no impact. Plus 1 multiplied by x is x multiplied by x is x square, plus x multiplied by 1 is x, upon x bracket x plus 1. Disregard the 1 because it will have no impact any way. 5x square plus x square is 6x square, 3x plus x is 4x, and then you have plus 1 upon x bracket x plus 1. So these are the type of questions that come in your IGCSE exams. I hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys were able to understand, please do make sure to like, subscribe and share my channel. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.